This should be it, Chris. Let's see. Okay, look, Chris. There's one over there. Look, the one in front of the tree house. Oh, happens to be right there.
Nice.
But it'll hit the bricks, right?
What?
It'll just hit the bricks. Right?
Exactly. Oop. And that's over there. Okay. This goes 360?
I think it's a 360. Chris, you can turn it with your hands. Look.
I'm okay. I just want to see where it goes. Nah, it's gonna have to be. No, shit.
Yeah, you can turn
Even
it.
over there is not good. Fuck.
I think we checked anyway.
Okay, what do you want to do then?
Okay, let's shut it off.
Okay, we gotta figure out where to put them.
Well, Chris, you think that is not sunny enough? On this hill. But 1 second.
When do you turn on the sprinkler?
I usually get late morning, usually.
No, like you haven't turned the sprinklers on right now. Like
No,
in a week from now.
A few weeks.
Okay, I just have a time schedule, so I have to head home. So I'm gonna install the hives, and then I'll come back sometime next week whenever it works for you guys.
Chris, just come whenever you want to come. You
Okay.
can come 10 times, whatever's good for you.
Well, I'm also trying to make it so I'm not inconvenience on you guys at the same time. So
We're not doing anything.
Okay,
So, I mean,
It doesn't affect us, so.
okay, so I'm gonna
you
install
come
them.
whenever you want.
I'm gonna install them right now, and then I'll come back sometime next week or whenever you guys find it, and I'll put them over there or wherever you guys think it works out. Okay?
and we'll try to think about it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, no, it's not a problem. It's just I can't. By the
ahead.
time it's gonna take me to level
Well, I just
everything.
want to say, Stace, that is getting sun. I don't know what you're saying.
It's sunny now. When all the leaves come out, it's full shade.
Okay, then figure out another spot. Just so you know, right where that spray bottle goes with the yellow top, that's where the sprinkler is.
And it comes this way?
It goes in a circle, and it hits that one, really.
Oh,
The one closer, it actually... Hey, Chris, how about this?
I'm listening.
I'm not saying to do it now, but
Okay.
you know how the sprinkler is really close on this side and it's not affecting it? If you put it on the other side of it, look, and so it's... The sprinkler is in between both of them. So if you understood what I just said, you said the one that's in front of you, it wasn't bothering it because it was so close. It was hitting the bricks at the bottom. So
Okay, so if the sprinkler were this right over here, if that's a sprinkler, so we're saying put one here and the other right here.
No.
No?
Isn't that one good where it is? Chris, touch the sprinkler. Stand up the brush where the sprinkler is.
I think it's right here.
Okay. So do the exact opposite That's 2 feet away on to the right of
left.
it.
That's
Go
what
2 feet on the
Well,
left
that's
of
what
it.
Christopher just said.
No, I thought he was coming out further. Yeah.
You really
That's
don't.
what capped honey looks like.
I was reading about it.
And this is what I used last year. I mean, this spring. I took the honey out, and so it leaves the comb. So that much less work that the bees have
You
to do.
understand?
Otherwise, that they start from this,
Right.
and that's what.
You understand what I said, Stace? He's saying that one is okay next to it.
So it's all right how the sprinkler's hitting the cinder blocks on that one?
Cinder block is fine.
And you don't have time to move that one now.
So then just move that one to the other side, like Uncle Bob is saying, 2 feet away to the left.
But even this needs to get moved.
That's the one I'm talking
That's the
about.
one we're talking about moving.
Gotcha.
The other one is hitting the bricks, so it's okay, right? Did you say that one's okay?
I think I did. As long as water wasn't going here, that's fine.
Can't see it. That one needs the hook, too.
You see my sweatshirt?
What?
No. You want me to look in the driveway?
Maybe I left it.
Oh, right here. Never mind.
Got it?
So this is sugar water. I'm gonna make them so instead of flying around and trying to sting people, they're gonna try to clean themselves off. That's a can of
The track and opening the bees, put sugar water on until they try to clean themselves off.
So we got our queen is in here. So she has a pheromone that all the
He's putting the queen in and she has a pheromone. Look at these gloves.
Says you better watch, they'll lose.
Covered in bees.
it is the fun part.
Here comes the fun part. Oh my God. Shake them out, holy crow.
The next one I'll do on the side so you can see.
Yeah, I'm trying to say, I'm trying to video. Okay, come on, bees.
So she's in a queen cage and it has a candy cork. So they'll slowly eat away at it.
So the queen is in there, and you couldn't hear Christopher, in a candy cage.
So she can't go anywhere. And they're not going to go anywhere that that pheromone is the queen gives off. So as long as that pheromone's there, she's staying.
Stace, you
You
should shut
said
it off.
so.
Stace, don't have it too long.
I want to put that other suit on and come down and film the other one. Where's the other suit? Forget it. You're on time constraint. Just go. I don't want to. Forget it. Forget it.
I don't want to.
Yeah, bring the bees
Just throw
up.
it. Just throw it up.
You're bringing the bees with you. Get the hell out of here.
You just throw it.
That's gonna be.
As long as you're wearing
As long as I what?
wearing a long sleeve shirt. Okay.
Is your hat sweaty gross?
That's Uncle Bobby's.
Now I'm really grossed out. It's like a hole in the top.
That's why you wear a hat.
What kind of stupid thing is this?
Has straps. Your neck is. That's what
Okay, we're gonna do the same thing for the other one. Well, if you want me to wait.
No, I don't want you to wait. I want to get the hell out of here. Oh my God. Wait, oh, it's on me, damn it. Let me turn it around.
Here's my hive tool, little metal part.
Holy mackerel. Can you hear these bees buzzing? Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we are. Second box. Yikes. I'm suited up, but I don't think I'm good enough. Just a foot. Well,
There.
anyway.
Too soon.
We're getting out the queen now?
Yep.
Oh my God.
So that's the queen. She's in this little
Is it?
plastic queen cage.
Wait a minute. Okay. All right. Okay, go. Again.
So what I do is I get a little paper clip. I don't want to smear her.
Jesus. Wow. Okay.
She's gonna be hanging in there. Just had to make sure she looked nice. I mean, she was alive.
Shaking them in, just shakes them out, stuff them in there with the queen in her little candy cage. Wow. Wow. Second hive over here. Getting set up. I bet you're pollinating some zucchini. Let's go. God, you have to bring two things. Okay.
You want to take a look? It's basically a big pile of bees.
Yeah, wait. Shit. Ooh, oh my
Got
God.
one
I
on
don't
you.
know if I took it.
Now most beekeepers would not even be wearing a suit when they do this.
Are you kidding me?
I am not kidding you.
Why?
There's really no need because they're actually fairly docile at this point. I have not reached that comfortability. in
I'm
my
right
what
here.
I do.
I'm right there. Here, look at me. I wish Kyle was here. No, yeah, I mean it. I think he would love it, but
Basically having like a little ant colony, but instead of ants, they have stingers.
sort of like that.
So where's my black? Right here. So we're gonna put sugar in this, and this will drink sugar water.
I mean, you can't see those bees anymore, right?
What?
You can't see those bees
Oh,
anymore.
I didn't put the cover on yet.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna take another picture. I don't know if it came out. I'm not gonna go on the other side. I think I could get it better
Where?
on the other side of the fence.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is actually the first time I've ever installed from these boxes before. Before I got 4 frames.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me right now? Mom. Yeah. Jesse, you should see the picture.
Chris, turn around.
You should see the bees filling him with sugar. You should see this, Jesse. Oh, and put the cover on. Oh my God, I have great pictures. 1 billion of them.
Are you getting stung or no?
No. Christopher said most beekeepers don't even suit up for this part of doing things.
Because they're considered very docile.
They're considered very docile right now.
So we just gave them sugar water, which is their, which will help them build comb. Which will
Can
be,
you show Jesse the comb from last year or no? Okay, take it out now.
is he there?
Yeah, he's right here. So it was the one that Christopher scraped
So
the
wait,
honey.
do we have a suit now or no?
Well, your mom's wearing my spare one.
Whoa. He has a frame that he scraped the honey off
So
of,
this
so see
is
the comb?
last year's comb, which I took out the honey.
So they
so it's
have
just
to
empty
build all
comb.
that. Some of these other ones are empty.
Wow.
So from that comb, they'll make honeycomb, which is comb that they put honey in, brood comb, which they put eggs in, which I put some in there for my other hive,
You should hear this.
and they make there's the main reason why they're flapping right now is for temperature control.
Who's more fun than us? Nobody. Get some chickens. I wish Kyle was here. He's at that
Now
stage.
chickens,
That's all another story.
no, I've heard beekeepers that so bees sting, and these are pollen patties. So basically, this is their protein.
What?
Again, we're starting from scratch, so we're trying
Right.
to supplement whatever we can to make them
help.
as healthy as possible. But again, they'll do it without any of this. But again, we're trying to make as much honey, so we're trying to.
I think I have one on me. Right? Do I have one on?
Not from here. You want to do a. No.
So what are you putting in there? Sugar?
I put simple syrup, which is 1-to-1 sugar,
Sugar and water.
and this is pollen patty. So basically, I get it's basically artificial pollen, and that's what they use for their protein.
It's just to help them in a brand new hive because they have to work so hard to get the honeycombs built and all that. That you don't want to give them sugar water, right? They want them to get all their own, but they have to.
So this is gonna help your garden, Mom. You got stung, Mom?
I don't know. I don't think so. I thought I felt a pinch.
Hey Jess, can you catch?
What is that?
That's for your mom.
Smash! What is it?
That's the wax.
Is this for me?
What? Yeah, that's for you. I was all supposed to give you a jar of honey, but I forgot that.
That's fine, but I wish you wouldn't have thrown it because it's smashed now. I don't